I'm Kai and welcome to HowTo with me. I'm Kai. And today I'm going to show you how to do easy video transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this and want more, please subscribe. I will really appreciate it. We move into Adobe Premiere Pro and apply the video effect, the video transition effect. I use the same clip as I used when I showed you the audio transition. You can watch this clip here. I'll put a link to it up in one of the corners. You can watch it. Now I'm going to show you how to do the same thing but to the picture or to the image, the video, the actual video. So it's the same principle. You do exactly the same thing really. You have a lot more opportunities or options when you do the transitions to the video compared to the audio. We can just look at it before we add video transition to this cut here. The second cut. I will do the transition to this cut. Let me just listen to what I have to say here. Maybe it's something exciting. Do a little tweaking and you're set to go. Yeah, please. So it's just switching frame or switching sequence without any stuff going in between here. This is very easy to do. You just go to the effects here on this left box here in the corner and you go down to video transitions here. And here you have a lot of options. I have tried them all. But just to see how they look, and you can also do it, it's not difficult. So if I just take a random one, what's this? I don't know, iris box. Let's try it, let's see what happens. So now there's a transition here. You can also adjust the length of that transition, but we will have it at the standard, which is 25. That's a quarter of a second, I think. So let's see how it looks. And you're set to go. Yeah, please subscribe. Oh, there happened something to my face. Oh, this was a bad example. Just try a random one. If I go into slide, maybe center split. That sounds like a cool one. Let's place it here and see what it does to my video. Set to go. Yeah, please subscribe. Or in 4 quarters. So that's not an effect I have used. I only use a simple one, which I will show you next, but you have a lot of options here on which video transition you want. And the one that I use is a very simple one, but a very effective one, I think. Yeah, so we just collapse them here, and the one I use is in Dissolve here, and it's called Dip to Black. That's the thing I'm using. So we just drag it, as we always do, onto the transition here, or the cut in the video. And the presets, as I said, is 25 milliseconds or a quarter of a second. So we just watch it now before we do anything about it. So let's see. Do a little tweaking and you're set to go. Yeah, please. You see that? A small black fading in and fading out. It gives a kind of a smooth transition to the video. I like it very much. Here I don't have the major scene shift or doing something very different from one scene to another. I would probably make it a bit shorter, maybe down into 8 milliseconds. I call it milliseconds, I don't remember what it's called. I can set 9. You can also change the duration of it up here. Well, let's see now. And you're set to go. Yeah, please subscribe. So that's all you need to do, and it feels so much better, the video. Let's try without and see how it looks then. Tweaking and you're set to go. Yeah, please. Place it here again. You're set to go. Yeah, please. Yeah, so that's it. So that's how you apply video transitions. Pretty easy, but has a very good effect on your video. I'll tell you that. Okay, so that's video transitions. Hope you like it. If you want more, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!